Yo guys, what is going on? Sub-Zero here, bringing to you a quick tutorial guys. This tutorial is going to be showing you how to set up a live stream directly from your PS4 without a capture card or anything like that guys. Obviously if you do want custom overlays you need to use that software on your PC and that, but this is just a basic guys, just to show you how to start a live stream off. For those who don't know, I know a lot of people will know by now, but for those who don't, this is a tutorial for those guys. So what you need to do guys, so obviously you're going to be inside your game. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to your controller and you want to press the share button, and when you press the share button it will come up with this menu here. Now all you need to do guys is go to broadcast gameplay, you click on that. Okay, just zoom out for you a bit then you can see. Okay guys, and then you'll be presented with either YouTube or Twitch guys, so it depends whichever platform you're doing on. So in my case I'd be going on YouTube, sorry. I'd be going on YouTube, so you click on that. And then here you've got like include video from PlayStation camera, include microphone broadcast, display message protected, so you can leave them a little message. You got your title, you've got so you can share to Twitter, like your hashtags and that to get a wider audience. Select players, you know, on your PSN community if you've got any players that might be interested in watching, including your online ID in your tags. So you got your tags like you have on YouTube to tag your videos. Obviously you got your private, you got your different standards. Obviously guys, this depends on your internet guys. Otherwise if you put it on too high it might cause your stream to not work properly and lag quite a lot guys. But if you want to go into your advanced settings guys, so you do that by going to your controller and pressing options, so you press that. Okay, and then you'll come up with like your videos here, so you include video from PlayStation, that's to record you. So if you wanted to change your camera video settings, you'd go into this, you've got a quick there, so you know what you do. Obviously I've got my camera there. And then you can change like your background effects, the brightness, your position, your size. Okay, you press circle on that. Audio sharing settings, that's wonders how you change your audio. Display message to spectators, so just click on that a second when it comes up. Oh yeah. Sorry, go down below where it says message spectators, sorry. So obviously my subscriber goes 200, that's mine. Obviously you've got just an example of what your stream will look like there with all your comment sections down the side guys. You can choose different colours, what colours you want it to be. Comments to speech, so anyone who comments, if you've got it enabled in your PlayStation guys, whoever comments it will speak to you. Link community, so if you're in gaming communities like Fortnite communities, Call of Duty, etc., you can link them to it as well guys, so again it'll bring you a bigger, larger audience in to watch your stream. Then all you want to do guys is when you've finished all that, you just click start broadcasting, and then you click that and then you'll automatically start broadcasting guys. If you found this tutorial easy guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys if you're new to the channel. You can find the link to me Twitter in the description below guys. Sub-Zero guys. If you want to donate to me as well guys to help support the channel and my future streams that I do, and my daily content, don't forget to donate to my PayPal guys, lee.jordan46@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching guys, until the next one, take care, bye.